Hey guys, good morning. So the time now is actually 9 a.m. in the morning, and I have with me here the Apple AirPods third generation. So what I'm gonna do is basically today I'm gonna be testing out Apple AirPods third generation for the entire day, doing a more of a real day in life test and see how it's gonna hold up. So along the way, I'm gonna be giving you guys some updates on the battery life, the performance, etc., as I go about doing my errands for the day. Alright, so see you guys a bit later. Alright guys, so I just stepped up from my house and I'm actually downstairs right now. As you see here, I'm actually wearing the AirPods third generation. This is how it looks like on the right side. This is how it looks like on the left. Right, more remote look. This is how it looks like on the front. Only the stem sticking out. It's a pretty short stem actually. Very easy to put on. Feels a bit like the Apple AirPods second generation, just that it doesn't go into the ear. Right, so I'm actually about to cross the traffic light. Catch you guys a bit later. I'll start testing the AirPods third generation right now. Hi guys, so now the time is about 10:25 a.m. in the morning, and the AirPods third generation, which I'm testing right now, has fallen about to 86%. Now I'm walking along this, I think is Bencoolen, near Bugis area. Going to have some brunch, right, and then after that, I'll be heading over to do my errands for the day, and I'll continue to test. So I'll check in with you guys a bit later. See ya. Alright guys, so the time now is about 35 a.m. in the morning. I just had a very good brunch. It's actually at this store called, this one? It's called Budi Deli. It's along Bugis, alright. It's a very hearty meal now. The battery life of the AirPods third generation has fallen to around like 71%. So I'm going to carry on and test it out and see how long it's going to last. And give you guys a little bit update a bit later. Catch you guys later. Hey guys, let's give you guys an update now. The time is about 12:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and I've been wearing the Apple AirPods third generation since morning, around 9 a.m. in the morning. So it's about 3.5 hours now, 3 hours 20 minutes. The battery life has dropped to about 61%. I mean, I'll still continue to use it throughout the whole day, and as I go about my errands for today. I'm currently in Clarke Quay area, so I'm going to be buying some things, and then after that I'll be heading home and do some stuff. I'll see you guys a bit later. Catch you guys. Hi everyone, now the time is about 1:25 p.m. in the afternoon, and I've been using the AirPods third generation since like 9 a.m. in the morning, and officially the battery life has fallen below 50% mark. It's currently at around 43% as I'm making this particular update. Currently I'm just going out to buy some drinks. Alright, I'm just finished my errand in the morning. Now I'm going to get some drinks. I'm just going to continue to test the AirPods third generation and see how long it's going to last before it finally give in and goes completely dead. Catch you guys a bit later. Hi everyone, good afternoon. The time now is about 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and the AirPods third generation has actually officially fallen under the 30% mark. I think now it's about 25% as I'm using it right now. So I've been using it for I think since 9 a.m. in the morning, and now it's about 2:20, so I've been using it for close to 5.5 hours, and it's down to about 25%. So just gonna run it down as I go through the rest of my day and see what is the last count when it goes zero. Catch you guys a bit later. Alright guys, just a quick update. I just received the first official battery warning for the AirPods 3rd generation that it has hit the 20% mark. Yeah, so let's see. You know, the final 20%. Do let me know which earbud you think will go on out first. Whether is it the left earbud or the right earbud. Leave your comment down in the segment below. Alright, I'll catch you guys back in a little bit later. Alright fellas, so I'm actually currently back home and in my computer room. I'm actually going to continue to edit some YouTube video which I'm actually working on right now. And at the same time, I'm going to be using the AirPods 3rd generation, which is down to about 17% live right now. So just carry on and use it and see what happens at the end of an hour or when it gets to 5%. Catch you guys a bit later. Alright fellas, a quick update. The time now is about 3:28 p.m. in the afternoon and I just got a second warning notice from the Apple AirPods 3rd generation whereby it's currently at 10% battery life. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna run it down in the final stretch, 10%. Do leave your comments below. Which side do you think will actually be the last one standing? Is it the left or is it the right? Give a thumbs up if you actually think it's a left, and give us heart if you think that it's actually the right. Alright guys, so the time now is actually like 4:15 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now the battery life of the AirPods 3rd generation is actually running extremely low. It's currently at like 2%, so at any point of time it's gonna like die off. And the thing is that I've been using it for like since 9 a.m. in the morning, you know, 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's like, 7 hours already. I've been pretty impressive. Alright, but let's run both down and see which one died first. Still, leave your comments below. Which one is gonna die first? Is it the left or is it the right? Okay, I'll catch you guys a bit later. Alright guys, so it's official at 4:22 p.m. in the afternoon. Did you guess it correct? So do you think, which one do you think actually died first? Is it the left or is it the right? So right now at 4:22 p.m, if you guessed it right, the left side actually died first. Alright, so let's see how long it's gonna take for the right side to die down as well. Give you an update in a moment. Alright fellas, finally exactly at 4:30 p.m. sharp, the right side of the AirPods 3rd generation died. I think it was about 8 minutes after the left side actually died down. So this comes down to, I think, about 7.5 hours of usage since like 9 a.m. in the morning from 100%. Alright, so I've actually been testing the AirPods 3rd generation, the original AirPods 3rd generation for the entire day when I'm out. So what are my thoughts? Firstly, I feel that the battery life is a great improvement. If I remember correctly, I think the 2nd generation AirPod, the battery life was up to 5 hours. Yeah, but this one actually lasted me about 7.5 hours on the entire day. Considering that in between I was making a couple, I think I made about 3 to 4 phone calls. It was for about a couple of minutes. And yeah, I mean, even with those phone calls, the battery life still held up to about 7.5 hours, you know, before finally the left earbud died, and couple minutes later followed by the right side. That's the first thing I realized. And the second thing is that I feel that the battery life of the AirPods 3rd generation outlasted my iPhone 12 mini. This is no joke. Halfway through after I finished my brunch, about 11:30, my phone was already down to, I think, about 40%. I had to actually quickly take out my portable power bank and plug it in and charge it up because it was dying really quickly, because I was doing a lot of things. Phone calls, I was texting people, I was replying, I was also playing music in the background continuously, alright, since like 9 a.m. in the morning. So it was kind of draining, kind of battery draining for my iPhone 12 mini. The battery was like going down very rapidly, you know.
throughout the whole day. Luckily I had my power bank to actually back it up so they can continue with the test, right? The thirdly, I feel after a day of usage is that the audio is pretty good. The sound quality on the third generation is much better compared to the second generation. Volume output is definitely louder. Voice clarity, all this kind of stuff, instruments, strings, bass is definitely better compared to the second generation. And not only that, the third generation AirPods actually also come with spatial audio, which I actually didn't activate it at all because I feel there's no need. I just wanted to listen to music, test out the whole thing. So I didn't include this as part of the whole test today. Alright, so yeah, that's my thought after using it for the entire day. Better battery life, better audio quality. No, that's my thoughts. Better battery life compared to the second generation, better sound quality compared to the second generation AirPods, and of course another thing is that the touch control is easier to locate because the design of the stem is very similar to the AirPods Pro, so it's kind of like muscle memory. So I'm going to be continuing to test out the AirPods third generation. So for everything else, you can check out my other video over here, which is actually on the unboxing of the AirPods third generation, and on here is actually for my other videos on the AirPods Pro second generation. My name is Johnny. Till the next time, bye bye.